Oh my, ISO block number 4, right up top. So I'm going to start this by right clicking and making a new component. ISO block 4. All right. And I'm going to start with a sketch on the front plane. I know it's front because it says front in the corner, and this sketch is going to start with a box that is 4 inches tall and 8 inches wide. Remember to switch between those two. You hit the tab key if you want to do it quickly. And then I am going to draw a box up here in the corner. And that box will be 2 by 1. All right, and I'm going to hit finish sketch. I'm going to pop it up to the little house so I can look at it. And I'm going to extrude this sketch out 6 inches only on this part. I'm not going to click that at all. So there we go, 6 inches. Now I'm going to click the top of this box, and I'm going to draw a rectangle that is 3 tall by 4 wide based on the orientation I have here. So I got that in there. I'm going to hit finish sketch, and I'm going to extrude that up 2 inches. So up 2 inches, and I'm going to click OK. And that is ISO Basic 4. I'm going to save it in my folder, all capital letters, ISO Basic 4. There you go, all of your ISO blocks.